Hi, my name is Narada Danvantari from sacredgeometryweb.com, where we invite you to enter our free sweepstakes to win $100 worth of geometries from our 3D print shop. Sacred geometry is the study of the fundamental forms of space and time to explore the mysteries of the physical and spiritual worlds. It's a key to good science, a secret of great art, and a light on the mystical path. 3D printing is about to change the world as radically as the personal computer and the internet did in their times. In our print shop at 3dmandalas.com, Sacred Geometry Web is making available a range of exquisite forms still dripping with the primal energies of creation. From traditional two-dimensional designs like Metatron's cube to elegant projections of higher dimensional templates, we offer wearable and holdable forms of all the most important geometries. Spheres, platonic solids, Buckminster Fuller's isotropic vector matrix, the 3D Metatron's cube, the toroidal hypercube, and much more. You can learn about these forms at sacredgeometryweb.com and join the discussion forums there. And you can see our full range of models at 3dmandalas.com. Plato and Pythagoras believed that geometries nurture the soul. Drop by either website, enter the sweepstakes, and nurture your soul today.